Episode 7 at the Restaurant, Slow and Clear English Podcast. Beginner A1, A2.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Slow and Clear English.
Hi, I'm Jack.
And I'm Emma.
Today we're going to a restaurant.
You will learn useful English for ordering food, asking questions, talking to a waiter, and paying the bill.
These are conversations you can use while traveling or eating out.
We will speak slowly and clearly.
Listen carefully and repeat the useful expressions.
Let's begin.
Main conversation.
Hi, Jack.
Hi, Emma.
Are you hungry?
Very hungry.
Me too.
Would you like to have lunch together?
Yes, I'd love to.
Great. There is a nice restaurant near here.
Perfect. Let's go.
Here we are.
It looks nice.
Yes, it isn't too crowded today.
That's good.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Table for two?
Yes, please.
Please follow me. Thank you. Here is your table.
This is a nice table.
Here are the menus. Thank you very much. You're welcome.
There are many choices.
Yes, everything looks delicious.
What are you thinking about ordering?
Maybe grilled chicken with rice.
That sounds good.
What about you?
I'm thinking about pasta,
Which one?
the vegetable pasta.
Good choice.
Should we order a salad too?
Yes, we can share one.
Good idea.
What would you like to drink?
I'd like iced tea.
I'm going to have sparkling water.
You usually drink coffee?
Not with lunch.
That's true.
Should we call the waiter?
Yes.
Excuse me. Yes? We're ready to order. Great. I'd like the grilled chicken with rice, please. Of course.
I'd like the vegetable pasta, please.
Certainly. And one mixed salad to share. Anything to drink?
An iced tea, please.
Sparkling water for me. Anything else? No, thank you. Your food will be ready soon.
Thank you.
This restaurant has a nice atmosphere.
Yes, it's quiet.
I like quiet restaurants.
Me too.
Do you eat out often?
Not really.
Why not?
I enjoy cooking at home.
What do you usually cook?
Soup, pasta, chicken, and salads.
Sounds healthy.
I try to eat healthy during the week.
What about weekends?
Sometimes pizza.
Everyone needs pizza sometimes.
Exactly.
I enjoy trying new restaurants.
Do you read online reviews first?
Usually,
Me too.
good reviews help.
But sometimes I like discovering small restaurants.
Hidden places can be amazing.
Exactly.
Here is your salad.
Thank you.
It looks fresh.
Would you like some tomatoes?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Here's your grilled chicken. Looks delicious. And the vegetable pasta.
Thank you.
Enjoy your meal. Thank you.
This pasta smells wonderful.
My chicken looks great.
Would you like to taste my pasta?
Sure,
Here you are.
it's delicious.
Would you like me to try your chicken?
Of course.
Thank you.
What do you think?
It's very tender.
I'm glad you like it.
Everything tastes fresh.
Yes, the vegetables are very fresh.
The rice is cooked perfectly.
The service is good too.
The waiter is very friendly.
That makes a big difference.
Do you usually eat dessert?
Sometimes,
What's your favorite dessert?
chocolate cake.
I knew you would say chocolate.
Of course.
I like cheesecake.
Should we order dessert?
Maybe we should wait a few minutes.
Good idea.
I'm getting full.
Me too.
Maybe we can share one dessert.
Perfect.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Can we have one chocolate cake and 2 forks?
Certainly. Thank you. Here is your dessert.
Looks amazing.
It smells wonderful.
Would you like the first bite?
No, you first.
Thank you.
How is it?
Very delicious.
Now it's my turn.
Go ahead.
Wow.
Good.
Excellent.
I'm full now.
Me too.
Everything was delicious.
Yes, I really enjoyed this meal.
So did I.
Should we ask for the bill?
Yes.
Excuse me. Yes? Could we have the bill, please? Certainly.
Can we pay by card?
Yes, you can? Great.
Should we split the bill?
Yes, let's split it.
Perfect.
Here you are. Thank you.
Everything was excellent.
Thank you very much. We'll come back again. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Goodbye. Useful sentences.
Let's review today's useful expressions.
Repeat after us.
Table for 2, please.
Could I see the menu?
I'd like the pasta.
I'd like grilled chicken.
Can we have a salad to share?
Could I have some water, please?
Everything looks delicious.
Enjoy your meal.
Could we have the bill, please?
Can we pay by card?
Let's split the bill.
Mini practice. Question 1. What would you like to eat?
You can answer,
I'd like pasta. Or, I'd like chicken. Question 2. What would you like to drink?
I'd like tea.
I'd like water. I'd like juice. Question 3. Did you enjoy the meal?
Yes, it was delicious.
Or, no, not really. Question 4. How do you ask for the bill?
You can say,
Could we have the bill, please? Excellent. Outro.
that's the end of today's conversation.
Today, we learned useful English for eating at a restaurant.
We practiced ordering food, asking for drinks, talking about the meal, and paying the bill.
These are very useful conversations for travel and everyday life.
Listen to this episode again.
Repeat the conversation several times.
Speak slowly.
Speak clearly.
Thank you for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye.